You know, this pandemic has been lousy for someone who makes a living out of travelling. But the other side of it, that's been good for me anyway, has been that I've had a whole lot of shed time. The first time ever, instead of, you know, hopping in the truck and running over to Archerfield, I've been taking advantage of Terrain Tamer's online store. And I can't believe how good it is, to be honest. And it's not just me either, it's my mates, because they got so many different brands are covered with so many hard parts. Even when Chuka comes around with his Triton, or, you know, Ray shows up with his Isuzu, or whatever it is, we can fix it on the hoist. We just get the bits off the online store, and there they are, and off we go. Right parts, right price. You will not believe how easy it is to use Terrain Tamer's online store. As long as you know the model and the year and you know what you're looking for, you're going to find it really easy. It's all divided into categories. I mean, I can find stuff I want real quick, and I'm a klutz when it comes to it. I use my phone for the ordering, for heaven's sake. As long as me mates remember to bring a carton of beer, we're all good. And the parts are delivered to you, and the parts are the right parts, because let's face it, you know, after over 50 years in the hard parts business, starting out with the toughest market on earth, Bedford trucks and buses, which, you know, when Frank started Terrain Tamer, most of the school buses were Bedfords. I'll never forget that time up in Weipa, and I blew the transfer in Milo, and I managed to hobble over to Weipa, and by the time I got there, I'd been able to get on the sat phone, order up some parts, and Terrain Tamer had them to me in Weipa the next day. When you go to Terrain Tamer, you quickly work it out. From Alan Gray, Australia's most experienced mechanic, and the other guys there, I've been running into the same blokes in Terrain Tamer for the last 25 years or more. This is a family company that really knows how to get parts right. And they're the bits you want too, because you know they're going to fit, they'll be the right parts, they're going to be as good or better than standard in my experience, and a lot of the time they're actually improved parts. So if you want professional service from the best parts company in Australia, and you want the bits delivered to your door as well, have a look at Terrain Tamer's online store. Just doesn't get any better than this. Dear John, hi to you and Karen. Your parcel's been packed by Ray. G'day Ray, if you're watching this, and thanks for sending the right parts again. Milo 2's going to be up and running this summer like you wouldn't believe. Just let's hope they let us out, eh? Because I'm ready to rock and roll already.